Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust. We got 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, goes right there, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear. A nice Tremor off-road running board, which is also gripped. Lights, blind spot detection, camera, as well as turn light indicator mirrors. We do have mud flaps on the front, as well as front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket with a block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leathering and black cloth camo, plenty of door space. You got cup holders, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we got powered seats, the same leather and cloth interior, but we do get the additional Tremor logo. Plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, and we do get Blue Cruise on this vehicle as well. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights on your mirrors, Pro Power Onboard, and tailgate opener on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 44.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen with phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here, we do have gear shift that has your speed adjusters, also collapsible, storage right here with cup holders, storage with USB and USB-C. You have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, your engine start stops right there, heated front seats with dual climate, a 12 volt and 120, and you do get storage right there, and below, auto stop auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and trail control with Blue Cruise. Up here we have 6 Upfitter Switches, which you can set up however you please, as well as a nice rear window opener. You got storage above as well, and looking at this main screen here, you do have audio with Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, Pro Power Onboard, email, or whatever you have set up there, as well as your apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB25723, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.